Here are 10 sentences using the phrase that is for advanced. 1. That is a beautiful sunset on the beach. 2. The book that is on the table is mine. 3. The capital of India is Delhi. That is my favorite city. 4. The new policy that is being implemented is causing controversy. 5. The teacher that is teaching right now is a Khurshid sir. 6. The language that is spoken in England is English. 7. The book that is in your hand is written by me. 8. The restaurant that is near my house is very neat and clean. 9. The theory that is being discussed is very complex. 10. The video that you are playing is my video.
इस जैसे मजेदार वीडियो के माध्यम से अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए अगर आप YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अगर Facebook और Instagram पर इस रील को देख रहे हैं तो फॉलो करें। शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।